Hey you guys, my name is Emma. Today I'm working alone. Justin's at work, and this is episode 6. I can't believe we're already at episode 6 on our shuttle bus build. Today I'll be working on the shower, and tomorrow we'll see what else we can get done. Hopefully we put up the plywood on the shower by then. I'm doing everything alone, like I said, so bear with me if I don't film a whole bunch. I will try my best from this angle. And it's like a million degrees out. If you are building your shuttle bus, let us know what the hottest day you worked on your bus was in the comments below. Subscribe, it really helps us out. Like this video if you liked this video, and follow us on Instagram at Willow on Wheels for more content like this, but in photo form. Okay, so today I'm gonna be starting with these 2x4s, but they're gonna go in 4 sections right here. You know what? I never put plywood on the ground. I have to do that first. So right now I'm about to actually cut the plywood for the ground. I'll be back in a second. Okay, like I said in the beginning, it's really hot. I look like a mess under the hat. I'm so glad I wore the hat today. My legs are sticky. Like, you can't even tell, but I feel disgusting. But I did put in these 2 poles for the shower, and then I'm gonna put in 4 more, which I have to go get more wood. So I'm gonna go get my dad's truck, bring it over here, pick up all the stuff around the bus, and then get more wood while I'm at it. I need a break. I've been doing this since 11 o'clock. It's about 4 now, and I have yet to take a break. I just got back from eating some spaghetti, and we are about to finish, well, we as in me, I'm about to finish all of the poles. I'm gonna put 4 more back here, and then connect them together so that they're sturdy, and then I'm gonna call it for the day because it's getting way too hot. I just pulled honestly, I'm so proud of how far I've come today. I think that I'm just gonna go ahead and put that last beam in and figure out what to do from there. But they're pretty sturdy up there. Usually people will put a beam up there and then those will connect into the beam, but that works. I've got all these pocket holes. I leveled it like 5 times before I screwed it in. And It's looking pretty good. And then that, I honestly shouldn't have put any putty right there, but it's gonna have a trim over it so you can't even see the seam. Okay, last one, let's get it done. Officially done with the frame and I'm soaked. So it's another day where I look like a mess. It's hot out and we just cut the first or the second side of the ceiling, the first cut for the day. I'll show you what we're working on. So we finally got a big fan in here. No more sweating to death, but we did put all of the wires in, the insulation for the wires. That way we can go ahead and put our ceiling in today. I don't know if you guys can hear us, but it's finally in. We had to cut it like several times because there was a piece that was in the way. We just put in our last two lights for this side, and then we'll put in the last light and the last ceiling after we screw this one in. Also, I literally have a rash, and I don't know if it's from the fiberglass falling from the insulation or it's the sawdust. I'm not sure. Breaking out. I don't know if it's like a rash or allergies or something, but I just put concealer on it. We just got back from eating dinner and we're about to go and clean up around the bus so that we can actually move it one day, because there's so much stuff under it that we would just crush everything. But we're about to get my dad's truck to go and do that, and then hopefully see what else we can get done before it gets too dark. And it's just been a really long day of putting the ceiling in. We started at 11 and finished at 4. It's 5 now, so we have like 4 hours of daylight. So we're trying to see if we can keep trucking on. these, and I'm about to paint over all those spots and then that whole entire back piece.